Hey, don't talk like that. You don't want me to tell the boss now.
Hey, don't tell the boss now, Rocky. Come on. After all we've been through, you know I was just playing with you.
Hey, what's going on back here? What, do I have to tell the boss about this? Tony Scott, Boney, Pepperoni, Bing Bang Boom, what's going on over here?
We was just playing. Tell him, Rock, tell him. We wasn't playing nothing.
You know what? That sounds like sounds like I don't buy it, Rock. I don't buy it. I don't buy it for 1 minute, Rock. I come in here over here beating beefaroni. Just hear me out, Bambino. Just hear me out. Okay, you think that I would, after all these years, after all these binge trues over there in the Bronx and the Queens, you think that I...
Dude, there's some fighting words right there, Bambi. You gonna take that from him, Bambi? I don't know. I was thinking about just whacking him right here.
Oh, come on, Rock. Don't do this to me, baby. Hey, what's going on back here, baby, huh? What? Wait. Meatballs, Mario Kart, huh? Hey, pasta Alfredo, what? Beefaroni, ravioli, Chef Boyardee, huh?
Whoa. Easy, tough guy, easy. Salami, mortadella, baguette, Robert De Niro. Robert De Niro? Yeah, Robert De Niro. What? You can't take the heat? Get out of the kitchen, baby. Robert De Niro. Oh, I get it, Robert De Niro. It all makes sense now. It's like I'm seeing for the first time, baby. It's like it's all coming full circle, you know? Ever since you Robert De Niro'd me. Hey, let's never fight again, huh?